Hey guys, in this question we need to find out the value of that is coordinates of P and point Q such that these points are the point of trisection for the line segment AB, which has coordinates 2 comma minus 2 and minus 7 comma 4 respectively. So let's calculate the coordinates of P first. Since P divides the AB line segment in the ratio 1 ratio 2, so we can use the formula to calculate the coordinates of P. So x coordinate of P equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, where m1 and m2 are the ratio, that is m1 equals to 1 and m2 equals to 2. So this will give us the value of x equals to x2 is minus 7 here, minus 7, that is the x coordinate of point B, minus 7 into 1 plus m2 is 2 here and x1 is 2. So and m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 2, that is 3, and this gives us the value that minus 3 by 3, that is equals to minus 1. And similarly y coordinate equals to m1 into y2, that is 1 into y2 is 4 plus 2 into y1 is 2 into y1 is equals to minus 2 by 3, that is 0 upon 3, it becomes 0. So the coordinate of P are minus 1 comma 0. Now Q is the midpoint of PB, so we basically use the formula for midpoint to calculate the coordinates of Q. So x coordinate of Q equals to minus 1 plus minus 7 by 2, that is minus 8 by 2, which is equals to minus 4. And similarly y coordinate of point Q equals to 0 plus 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. So the coordinates of point Q are minus 4 comma 2.